Whoa. Hello, folks. Well, shit. Take a gander. Take a guess. Take your biggest guess. What is this? That is my Bud Light bowling bar sign. Quit working on me. The switch. So there's a switch in this thing. Switch went out, so I just opened this up. The two wires that come from the transformer here over to the switch and then out of the switch. I just cut the two wires off the switch and twisted them together. Little electrical tape and plugged it in. It came back on. But it's it's what I like to do. It's one of my biggest hobbies is tearing apart beer signs that don't work. Not every day you wash a big Bud Light sign completely tore the fuck down in your kitchen sink and set it out the drain. Well, it's dry now, so what we're going to do is hop in here and we're going to put it together. In fact, you know what? I'll put it together out here, right here, so you can see better. I get better light. I'll put it together out here. Let's do that. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I guess first thing we're going to want to do, this hole here, where the cord goes through, it's still a little bit damp in here. Bitch, I thought I set you out to dry. That's alright. It'll be good. It's all good. So here's this. Well, first I want to feed this cord, which is long, which is really cool, through this hole. See? Pull chain hole. The pull chain cord came through the same hole. Yes, I know there's a thumbtack going through the fucking center of the wire here. That's to hold it to the wall. See it? Thumbtack right here. That's to pin it to the wall. It's not hitting a wire, so it's not live. It just goes through the plastic. Okay, now we get our light fixture turned the right way. I say the right way here. Pop this the rest of the way through here. Thusly, see? And there's little holes. You can see the little holes in here. Let's see here. Little holes. Pretty simple. Little hole under there. Lines up with that holes. So what we do, we got these here little screws. You know what? You know, little screws. And little screws like to screw into little holes from the bottom here. See if we can stand it up. I might have to. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, that didn't like that. It's heavy. But if I can get it lined up, it's like this here. Come on, baby. You want to start right in there. Here we go. Just got to get the start. Okay. It's starting right here. Got that one started. So let's do another one. I want to do this opposite corner over here. That'll keep it from flip-flapping around. This corner right here I'm going for. So let's get up through the hole. See if I can find the hole. Oh shit, this hole doesn't have anything connected to it. This is a loser hole. This is a just sticking through here situation. Well, shit. Even if you do go all the way through, that's just fine. Go all the way through. Okay. Good enough. That got that started. Let's go for this hole here. Hopefully this one will want to play. Right here. In fact, I think I can turn this over now. Pretty sure I can. Let's turn this over. Shit. Gotta be careful. This is just a very thin plastic housing that they used. Bastards. That did not grip in there very well, did it? Well now, let's tighten this one up. This one will tighten up good. Don't get them too tight. Just snug. You go too tight, that's what happened to this one here. It broke right through the fucking plastic. This one doesn't seem to want to go. There she goes. That's close. I need you a little tighter than that. Come on, baby. There, she decided to cooperate. Good. Good, good, good. Now I got one in the middle here. Let's try this one. That should start right in there. This middle one right, chow. Should start right in. No, turn. It's there. I just can't hang on to it. We'll get her. We'll get her. Alright, so I got this one started. You may not be able to see very well. I got this one started going pretty decent. I just got to be able to run her together. That'll do. Just something to hold her up there, right? That's all we're shooting for. Now I got this corner here. See if I can get this one to go right up in through Cha. Well, let's see what that does. That should stay in there. I'll turn it just a little bit. Just like so. Something like that. There we go. Alright, so we got our screws in. That's pretty easy. Yeah, that's going to hold. Okay, good, good. So our screws are in. That was kind of chaotic, but not horrible. You are zoomed out all the way, right? Yeah. Okay, then we got our top. Well, no, we don't. We got our bulb. Gotta put our bulb in. Our fluorescent bulb. If it breaks again, I'm going to convert it to fucking, you know, what do you call them? LED lights. Okay, now we'll test it out. Make sure it comes on before we snap the cover back in. And there she is. Working, okay. And we take our cover. I've been years since I've taken this apart. Probably 5 years. You can fuck up and put it backwards if you want. But this cover, I was like, how the fuck do you take this off of here? It just kind of pushes in. See, there's a down here. It just kind of pushes into this funky little ring. See, like that. You just kind of snap them in here, snap them in place, just like so. And there's how she sits, just like that. And then you plug her in. You have a Bud Light and bowling sign back again. Oh, that looks a lot better than when I first put it together, when I first bought it. It wasn't working when I bought it. Paid 20 bucks for it years ago. There you go. Before and after, baby. Now I'm going to go put it back up on the wall. And you can see what it looks like up on the wall. Be right back. There she is, folks. In all of her fucking glory. Right back up on the wall where she belongs. Fucking A. Just a quick little episode. You know, thought you might like to see what I found out, what I like to do. See, he hangs up there next to Jack. There's no other bar lights right in that area. But wow, that's a lot cleaner. Putting out a lot more light. Look at that. You know, lights up the fucking ceiling some. Shit, man. So anyways, that's it for now. So for Hands On with BLGI and BLG, I am Lefty. And I am Righty. We'll catch you in the next update or episode. Whatever I do, it's probably just going to be an episode of something. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll make Salisbury steak. Yeah, tomorrow. Maybe we'll do that. That'll be fun. So anyways, till the next time, folks. Thanks for sticking with me. Like, subscribe, share if you would. Ring the little bell if you want to. Get notified when I'm up to something stupid again. And till next time, folks, you know what to do. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see.
accessory. Hands on with BLG. Stick around